Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate lead nurturing with ActiveCampaign, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate lead nurturing with ActiveCampaign, start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Create an Automation button to begin building your automation. Select Start from Scratch when prompted. Name your automation something relevant, like Lead Nurturing Campaign. Click on Continue to move to the Automation Builder. Now, you need to choose a trigger for your automation. Pick the appropriate list where your leads are added. Click Add Start to confirm your trigger settings. Next, you'll want to add an action to send a welcome email. Click on the plus button to add a new action. Select Send an email from the action options. Create a new email or select an existing one to serve as your welcome message. Once the email is ready, click Save. After sending the welcome email, add another delay in your automation. Select Time Delay from the action options. Set the delay for a few days, such as 3 days. Next, it's time to add a follow-up email. Click on the plus button again to add another action. Choose Send an email once more. Create a relevant follow-up email that provides value or offers additional information. Once this email is finalized, click Save. To further nurture your leads, consider adding more delays in emails. Use time delay again for a few days after each email. Continue to add value with each follow-up email, addressing potential concerns or questions. You might also want to segment leads based on their engagement. To do this, add if/else conditions after your follow-up emails. This will allow you to tailor your follow-up based on their interests and actions. If a lead engages with your email, you can send them more targeted content. For those who don't engage, consider sending a different message to re-engage them. Once you have all actions and conditions set, review your automation flow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.